Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through a quick and super practical tutorial, how to sort dates and times in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project schedule, tracking deadlines, or organizing event times, knowing how to sort your sheet by date or time can save you hours and help you stay on top of your game. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sort date and time columns in Smartsheet, so your information is neat, logical, and easy to use. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Smartsheet. If you're already logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific sheet you want to work with. Now, if you're not familiar, Smartsheet is designed a bit like a spreadsheet, but with some extra collaborative features. If it's your first time using it, don't be intimidated. Just imagine you're looking at a slightly upgraded version of Excel or Google Sheets. Now, let's focus on sorting dates. Find your date column. This might be labeled as due date, start date, or anything similar. The important part is that the column is formatted for dates. Go ahead and click right in the header of that column so it's highlighted. You can tell because the whole column will be outlined. Once you've selected the date column, do a right-click anywhere on that header. You'll see a menu pop up with quite a few options, but right now we're looking for Sort Rows by Ascending or Sort Rows by Descending if you want the dates from most recent to oldest. Usually, ascending makes the most sense. That way, your earliest dates are at the top and later ones filter down below. Think of this like flipping through a calendar. You always want to see today's item first and what's coming up soon laid out clearly. Go ahead and choose the Sort Rows by Ascending option, and Smartsheet will automatically reorder your rows based on the dates. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds, but if you have a really large sheet, just be patient while it processes. If you need to sort by time instead of date, let's say you have a schedule for events throughout the day, the process is almost identical. Find your time column, make sure all your times are formatted the same way, for example, all M or all PM, and consistently with the hours and minutes, and repeat the same steps. Right-click the header and select Sort Rows by Ascending. It's important that all your times are formatted with the same meridim, meaning all are either AM or all PM. Mixing AM and PM can make the sort order confusing, so double-check first. If your times are a bit all over the place, just take a moment to clean them up. Trust me, sorting will work much better this way. And genuinely, that's all there is to it. Sorting your dates and times in Smartsheet is quick and easy, but it really transforms the way you view and manage your information. You'll find deadlines are easier to spot, priorities list themselves in order, and your schedule just makes more sense visually. If you found this helpful and want more tips on maximizing productivity with Smartsheet or any other workflow tools, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific feature you'd like to see me cover, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.